Hey guys, today me and my mom are going to be trying out this Wavytalk blowout brush. So we're going to plug it in and warm it up. Good. Okay, so this is a ceramic brush and you can either use it for like a more curlier blowout or you could do like a straighter one, but today on my mom I'm going to do a straighter blowout. This is my mom's hair before. It's super frizzy. I'm going to clip my mom's hair with the clip that came in the package, so I can section her super thick hair. This is my mom's hair after. She wanted a straighter blowout, so here it is.